Welcome to Tikaliper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to extend C drive in Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, go to your search bar, and in here, type this PC, and just open up your this PC. Then just expand this. As you can see, my C drive is really low on space. And as you can see, I have another drive named the G drive. This drive is on the same SSD as the C drive. And make sure you have a drive that is on the same SSD or hard disk as your C drive or the system drive. So what you can do now is delete this drive and you can extend C drive using this. So basically, make sure the drive rather is empty, not the folder. Make sure the folder is empty, format it, make sure it's clean, because after deleting this and adding it to C, you won't have the files that were in G, but your files in C will be intact. So to do this, what you need to do is just right click on your start button. From here, click on disk management. Then just wait. As you can see, I have two disks right here listed. And in this 0, it is my SSD and it has C drive and G drive. Now I'm going to right click on my G drive and click on delete volume. Then just click on yes. Let me just maximize this for you so that you guys can watch it better. As you can see, the space has been unallocated. Now I can use this unallocated space to extend my C drive. I'll just click on my C drive and click on extend volume, click on next again, click on finish. And you guys should notice one thing, C drive and G drive were on the same disk. This is because they were on the same SSD. You need to make sure that both drives that you're extending from and you're extending to are on the same SSD or hard disk. And after that, just go to your this PC again and just hit refresh. And as you can see, your C drive has been extended. And in this manner, you can extend your C drive or your system drive. And that is how to extend your C drive in Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.